Gary the cat in the hallway glow lives in a hotel everybody knows. Little bit shy when the doors swing wide, hides for a second and peeks from the side. Tip-tap paws on the patterned floor, moonlight frame on the elevator door. He's on patrol till the morning light, searching for a snack in the quiet night. Gary the hotel cat, roaming where the people chat, from the lobby to the top floor suite, keeping an eye out for a treat. Yeah, Gary the hotel cat got the whole wide world in his habitat. Hit subscribe, come along for the ride. Feel the vibe, feel the purr inside. Now he's online, yeah. The word got out, Mr. H2S, Lisa on the route. Camera rolling while the treats come through. New best friends in every view. Suitcase stairs and a rolling cart, clicking claws and a curious heart. Sharing snacks with the cats he meets. Every new stop, brand new streets. Gary the hotel cat.
Another adventure's come to an end. Thanks for hanging with me, my friend. We saw some cool things, we learned something new. I'm so glad I got to share it with you. So if you enjoyed the ride and you want to see more, here's what you do. It's easy for sure. Don't forget to like this video, it really helps make the channel glow. And subscribe for more adventures, the fun has just begun. This is Mr. H2S, signing off for now.